I think it's a long time coming, and I'm tempted to be a Buffett-like investor and be greedy when others are fearful. But because we've had such a rally in tech stocks for so long, that I don't know, even after the correction of the last couple of days, if we've blown off all the froth. But on a stock-by-stock basis, there are some interesting stories out there.
Well, like what? I think NXPI is one of them.
Yeah, NXPI is one of the stocks, and here's a company that is one of the leaders in chips for automobiles, particularly the long-term theme of autonomous driving, and a stock that at one time was valued by Qualcomm in an aborted takeover at 127.5 a share, and now the stock's in the high 70s, and the CEO and the CFO recently, just in the last couple of weeks or months, bought in size in their personal accounts stock at 94. So we are in a tough time in the cycle for semiconductor stocks, but that one seems to be very compelling to me for the long term.
Let's talk about some of the big names that people talk about, some of these FANG stocks, a stock like a Facebook. That's a position that you'd be adding to right now?
I'd like to see Facebook test its previous low of 149, but we're getting awfully close, and that's one of the stocks that I'm particularly intrigued about because it started to melt down long before the correction of the last couple of days. And so there, the froth might be blown off.
Amazon's at its 200-day moving average.
I do like Amazon. You know, you're never going to be able to make a value case for Amazon, but they seem to do a very nice job, as we've all followed over the years, of taking one pre-internet industry after another and just disintermediating it and Amazoning everybody in this space. And so I do think no valuation case there, but if it supports the 200-day moving average, I do think it's compelling for the long term.
What about Apple? That's the one stock that's still got $1 billion market cap.
I think Apple's interesting, but the way I look at Apple these days is no longer as a growth story. It's more of a value and dividend play. And when I take a look at the growth forecast for some of the uber bulls on Apple, I think actually they're too aggressive. But in the meantime, it shows nice technical support. Its dividend will increase going forward much faster than that of the dividend growth for the S&P 500. So I think it's a solid relative value tech name.